What's up guys? Today we are going to try to repair this old HiFi system here, and this is a Sony one. The problem with this is that this unit does not eject any discs at all. This is the 5-disc changer and nothing happens when you press eject. You can hear the motor going but it doesn't seem to do anything. Typically that means that the belt drives have gone on the system. So I've gone ahead and purchased replacement belt drives. This is for model MHC-NX1. This HiFi system is probably at least 20 years old or more. So eventually these rubber bits, rubber belts, they deteriorate, they come loose, and they don't do the job. So we need to replace this with new rubber belt drives in order to be able to eject any discs. So what we're going to do is open the CD tray with the cassette deck up. There's only 4 belt drives in this kit. You can pick this up from eBay, and I got this for like 11-12 pounds. This doesn't include the cassette deck, unfortunately, so we're only able to repair the CD part, because I'm pretty sure the cassette deck has the same problem. It also has at least 4 or maybe 5, I can't remember. It has belt drives for these as well, so these would need replacing. So we're going to open this up, we're going to disconnect it from the main unit with no power. Okay, so I've already gone ahead and taken off 4 screws on either side of the unit, and this should just slide off just like so. And here you see the belt drives here, and when you touch them they're very loose, which indicates that they're pretty much gone. So there's no tension on these belts to move these gears here. So we need to replace 3 of these here, and then there's one hidden behind where the discs are, so behind here. So what these gears do is these control the mechanism that moves the CDs up and down, and it also feeds the discs into the main tray where the laser is and loads them up. I already went ahead and removed this thing here, which was kind of like that, just a shield to protect the belt drives. There's only 2 screws on here. So once this is removed, you can now access the belt drives. Try to remember where they go when you take these off. The largest one comes off first, and then like a smaller one. I think these are the same size. As you can see. What you can do as well is you can apply some like silicone grease on some of these gear bits, but that will just help it move a lot smoother. I'm going to get your replacement belt drives. So we have 3 small ones. Yeah, the elasticity is definitely stronger. Okay, so we are going to install it on this gear here. Start from the bottom one first. Just test it out when you apply it, and it seems to be rotating fine. Now the second one. Now when I move this gear here, it's now moving this as well, so that is looking good so far. Now the longest one goes on top. Try not to snap this. That looks fine to me. Make sure this is straight as well. Make sure the belt drives are straight and not kind of twisted when you put it back on. Looking good so far. Okay, so the final belt is hidden behind here. Just need to remove, I think, 4 screws on either side of the disc tray, which is like one here, one here, one here, one here. That should just pop up. Be careful of this connector on the right side. Just put that to the side. This tray should just pop out, just like so. And then the other drive or belt drive is here. And as you can see, this one moves the laser up, which this one kind of feels okay, but it's still a bit loose. This gear here also moves this gear closer. Again, you can apply silicone or some kind of grease on this gear. At the moment I don't have that, so I can't do that right now. But we can now put everything back. Now once you fire this up, the machine will calibrate and try to search each tray, each 5 trays, whether there's a disc in them. So it will take a while to recalibrate. Goes on top. All the belt drives are now on. We can try and connect this up. Here's the moment of truth. This will calibrate, I think so. It's going to take a while to eject. You can see the mechanism working there. It's reading all 5 discs. Loading each tray one at a time. That's how you change belt drives on the CD compartment of the Sony MHC-NX1. I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you, and if you have any questions then please comment below on the comment section, and I'll see you again on another tutorial.